side over, and it's just barely hitting this. I mean, it's boiling, but I think if you put it in the center, it would probably be gooder.
More gooder?
Yeah, more gooder.
Close to that.
Yeah.
You having a problem with your boil, Tyler?
Well, I don't know if the alpha acids have yet to be extracted, which really help with the foam boiling over. You might have seen a Smutty Nose on I think it was Discovery Channel, and their kettle boiled over pretty aggressively. We're trying to avoid that.